Good morning, everybody. Today is a special day. It's
my birthday.
How old are you today, Noah?
10.
10? What's...
Not 9.
Not 9. No longer 9. You're 10 years old. What are we gonna do today?
First, we're gonna eat donuts.
What?
Of course, we're eating donuts.
Then?
I don't know.
Then we have school today.
Yeah, school.
But you're watching a movie. No, not in school. You're watching a movie in school. Right now you guys are watching Cars. Which
right.
Dada's here with the donuts. They're not for you, puppy. Not for you, puppy. All right, let's get some donuts. Special donut order coming up for the birthday boy. What do you think?
Yummy.
Happy birthday.
You said yummy before you even tried it.
It's because it looks delicious, right?
Mm-hmm.
Sprinkles. Today, Jude is learning how to mow our grass. We have a reel mower. So he is learning how to use that today. These guys are finished up school.
I'm gonna watch a bit of a movie.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna attempt to make a brownie cake for Noah. He's requested like something similar to this. Luckily the instructions are here, so seems pretty simple. Let's give it a try. Alright, I made a brownie cake for Mr. Noah's birthday at his request. We got dark chocolate and milk chocolate ganache between 3 layers of brownies. I think it looks amazing. Noah had very simple requests for his birthday this year. He wanted donuts for breakfast, Chick-fil-A for lunch, pizza for dinner. We're gonna watch a movie, that brownie cake, and that's pretty much it. So that's what we've done today. They had school today, so it was pretty low-key. I know that his class watched a movie most of the day, which he liked. So Simon and Abel helped me do a little bit of decorating earlier. Let me show you. We got these. I actually got these from one of my neighbors that they were like leftover from their kid's birthday. We have these really cute like Mandalorian, Grogu balloons. I think this one might be my favorite balloon. So we just taped some up here, and then there's a little banner, which is kind of hard to see because it's backlit, but it has a little Grogu on it. But it makes it a little special. The boys have just been watching movies and playing and having a pretty low-key day inside. It's very hot outside. Ooh, there's the sun. And we're gonna be outside all day tomorrow, so I thought a nice rest day, chill. We did a few chores around the house, probably have a few more things to do tomorrow before the big party, which we were all super excited about. But I think we're gonna watch, there's a new movie on Disney Plus. I think it's called Luca or something like that. I could be wrong. But that's what Noah has requested to watch, so we're gonna watch that, open some presents, eat some cake. It's just gonna be super fun evening celebrating Noah. Are you ready for some cake, Noah?
Yeah!
Dada's got so many. I think, Dada, we should start with the brothers. Give their presents first. Do you want to do that?
First.
All right. You want to go first?
Yes,
All right, Simon.
You go first. Nothing. Did you even know it? It's just excitement because it's a puppy.
It's a pound puppy. It's a newborn puppy. Oh, he's so
It looks
cute.
exactly like my other one that's...
Hey, did you know that the one that you have, Noah, that used to be Dada's? Isn't that right, Dada?
Yeah.
And it was a pound puppy.
Yeah,
Yep.
it's an original pound puppy from the 80s.
I guess that one's based off of the original one.
That's so cool.
I'll pet your print. From Abel.
Set him up.
Wow, cool! This thing's awesome. I love animals. Is this thing where you like paint stuff
It's a tracking kit. That's
Yeah,
cool.
tracking kit. I have. Wow! It's a Titanic book. What's the next one? Noah. There's something inside the thing. Oh, a mini Titanic Lego set. Oh, what is it? It's kind of like a candle or something. Why would you get a candle? Clear the tape.
I hope that again.
Yeah! Something soft. Just
Ooh, what's that, Noah?
that is sleeping back.
Look at the
Look at
thing.
the tag. It has a picture.
It's a tent. Oh,
Now you can use your own tent and sleep.
It's a tent?
Now you can sleep in the tent by yourself. And now
You got your own tent!
you don't need to do it. You know about this? Yes! Yes! Explain what it is. Yeah. Lego train track.
Awesome. Mandalorian.
Oh, I see the main one.
That's cool.
In the middle.
Yeah, it's like the Brady Bunch with the Mandalorian.
Now it's... Hey, there's another present.
There's
You hit
another
it.
present?
You hit it.
Oh, there's another
I
one?
didn't see it back there.
This is the best. Kiss me.
sit down.
There's another present.
The best one. It's gotta be something that a go. And what is it?
Pull it
I
out.
better be careful.
What is it? Show us.
A GoPro.
Oh, what?
What is it? A GoPro. It's a camera.
Camera because
I thought this was
I kinda wanna
the
face-
least expected one on my list, but I still asked.
Patiently.
Again? Really longer.
you can
Ooh,
open your eyes now.
Ooh.
he made you a house.
It's
The neighbor.
Hello Neighbor.
That's Hello Neighbor House?
Act one.
You can use that for your
hard to
movie.
actually see it, but
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
I put on.
I've been working on the type.
Let's see. It's a little Titanic buildable set.
It's actually pretty big, but
Hey, did you have a good birthday today?
yes. And it's gonna be even more fun tomorrow. Because it's a birthday party.
Well, right now we need to get ready for bed, start cleaning up.
And
And we're gotta get lots of sleep so we can have fun tomorrow at our party.
yeah.